In this video, we're taking a look at two online development platforms, Base44 and Replit, to help you decide which one suits your coding needs best. Let's begin with Base44. Base44 is designed for developers who want a clean, minimal interface focused on productivity. You get support for multiple languages, real-time previewing, and instant collaboration through shareable links. One standout feature is its focus on low-latency performance. Even with larger projects, the editor remains snappy and responsive. The platform also offers built-in GitHub integration, making it easy to pull and push repositories without leaving the workspace. Whether you're building full-stack applications or just testing code snippets, Base44 keeps distractions to a minimum and prioritizes speed. Now let's switch over to Replit. Replit has become a favorite among beginner and intermediate coders for its ease of use and community-driven features. It supports dozens of languages, includes a built-in terminal, and even lets you deploy full applications directly from the browser. Replit's real advantage is its social coding environment. You can fork public projects, join teams, or even monetize your own apps. Plus, its AI pair programmer, Ghostwriter, provides intelligent code suggestions right as you type, which makes it especially helpful for learning and prototyping fast. So which one should you use? If you prefer a clean, fast, and distraction-free coding space with tight GitHub support, Base44 is a solid choice. But if you want a collaborative coding environment with community features, built-in AI assistance, and flexible app deployment, Replit might be the better pick. Both platforms are great. It really comes down to what kind of developer you are and what kind of workflow you prefer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.